This is Pioneer's GM-A3702 car stereo 2-channel power amplifier. This amplifier can be operated as a stereo amplifier or in bridged mode as a mono amplifier. The GM-A3702 has a maximum total output power rating of 500 watts and a nominal power output rating of 60 watts per channel. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's get this open. All right, now the first thing that we get here is kind of a hardware pack. This includes the owner's manual. It also includes the warranty card. It includes some installation screws or mounting screws for the amplifier. And it includes a wire harness for speaker level inputs. You can use this set up as RCA level input or speaker level input. The speaker level input here is on an additional harness. Now let's pull the amplifier up out of there. There we go. On the left-hand side of the amp, we have the low-pass filter right here. You can switch on or off. And this is the gain control. Here is the RCA input for direct connection to a in-dash receiver. And if you want, you can use a speaker level input as well with the provided wire harness. On the right-hand side of the amplifier, we have a 25 amp fuse right here. And here is the power connection that should run out to the battery. Here's the ground connection, and we have the system control. Over here are the speaker outputs, stereo speaker outputs that can also be used in a bridged configuration. And over here is the power indicator. And that is Pioneer's GM-A3702 and what's in the box.